So we are back to take the next method of factorization. Factorization of trinomials. First example, x squared plus 5x plus 6. First of all, what is a trinomial? A trinomial is an expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus 6 plus c, where there are three terms. Now, what is the method? What is the method? We have the first term, the second term, and the third term. You multiply the first term and the third term. That is, the product is equals to 6x squared, and the center term, that's the sum, 5x. So we have to find two terms whose product is 6x squared and sum is 5x. If you factorize 6x square, you will get 3x and 2x. And if you see here, if you multiply 3x with 2x, you get 6x square, and if you add 3x and 2x, you get 5x. So this becomes x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Sometimes this is also referred to as splitting the middle term, the center term. This is also sometimes referred to as splitting the middle term. We split the middle term into two factors whose product is of the first and third, and the sum is of the second term. Now if you observe here, we follow the grouping method. We take x squared, 3x as one group, and 2x plus 6 as the other group. What's common here? X is common, you get x plus 3, and what's common here? 2, x plus 3, and here you can see x plus 3 is common in both, and you will get x plus 3 into x plus 2. These are the factors of x squared plus 5x plus 6. So the factors of x squared plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3 and into x plus 2. Okay. We'll try the third example, then we'll come back to another example, or we'll make this the second example, and we'll make this the third example. Let's see. Now here we don't have an expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So we open the bracket here. What will you get here? You will get here 3a squared minus 2a and minus 1. So now here remember the first term and the third term. The product will be how much? Minus 3, and the sum will be minus 2. So what will be the factors? Factors, that means we have to find two terms which on multiplying will give you minus 3 and on adding will give you minus 2. So if you take minus 3 and plus 1, if you take minus 3 and plus 1, on multiplying you will get minus 3, on adding you will get minus 2. So we write this as 3a squared minus 3a plus a minus 1. And now if you form the two groups here, you will get 3a common here, a minus 1 plus 1 a minus 1, and you are left with a minus 1 into 3a plus 1. These are the factors. Okay. Let's try the next example, the third one. 3x minus 2y whole squared plus 3 times 3x minus 2y minus 10. This appears to be in the form of first term square plus 3 times. This appears to be in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So what we do here is we change it into that form by making a substitution. Let 3x minus 2y equal to a. Then this will become a squared plus 3a minus 10. So we have changed this expression in the form of the standard trinomial. Now we'll factorize this 10 and 3. So product minus 10 and the sum is plus 3. So what should we take? We know that it's 3, we'll take 5. So we'll take plus 5 and minus 2. On multiplying this you get minus 10, on adding you'll get plus 3. So you will get here, this will equal to a squared plus 5a minus 2a minus 10, and here if you take out a common here, you got a plus 5, and if you take out minus 2 common here, you will get a plus 5. So this becomes a plus 5 into a minus 2. But you remember, we have the expression in terms of x and y. We had changed it in the form of a. So now what we do is simply replace a back with the original substitution, and you will get here 3x minus 2y plus 5 into 3x minus 2y minus 2. So here are the two factors of the expression. We'll stop here and then we'll go on to the next video for the difference of two squares.